In this video, I'm going to show you how project libraries work in Davinci Resolve. In previous version of Davinci Resolve, the project libraries as you see in Davinci Resolve 18 used to be called database. If you should see database management anywhere else, just know that they are talking about the project libraries in Davinci Resolve 18. So the local database is going to be your default. That's when you open Davinci Resolve 18 for the first time. You are going to see only one database. If you want to create a new project library, you just click on add, create, give it a name, give it a folder where I want it to be saved, Davinci, and then I'm going to select that as my location. So all I have to do is to click create, and then it creates that database for me. The way I want you to understand project libraries is just like having multiple users on your computer. So each user has his own workspace, whereby any work that is done in each user's workspace doesn't appear in another person's workspace. So let's say user A does his documents, edits his videos in user A. Those edits or those documents are not going to be visible inside user 2's workspace unless they are copied from one workspace to the other. The same applies to project libraries. So in project libraries, anything that you do in one project library or one database remains inside that database. So this is how we can create databases or project libraries in Davinci Resolve 18. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and follow along, and you would be able to edit your videos in Davinci Resolve. Charlie, Mapon, Debesensia.